What's up? What's up? What's up? Boom, boom, boom. We are in it right now. All right, let's see. Testing, testing. Testing, testing. Okay. If you're watching this, would you maybe? Were you going to be talking as well?
I'm just gonna start the session and end it. That's all.
Okay then. Just wasn't sure if you wanted to be mic'd up.
I'm sorry?
If you wanted to have a mic.
Oh no. Okay, let me send you the starting and ending slide. So I'm just gonna say that. Okay, do you wanna start?
Okay, it's not this screen. All right, a little quick trial. Hello, everyone. My name is Anthony Montañez, and I'm just practicing. This is why you should attend in hackathons, and this is why you should attend. Uh, After that, do I just talk a little bit about myself, or just start on the slides here?
Okay, so I'm just gonna give one. I'm just gonna introduce you that we have a student whose name is Anthony, and he's interested to like start this hackathon, and we want to form a team, and then you would start your own.
Okay.
You can start from the scratch.
Okay.
And we can give you a full introduction, and we can like let them like introduce let you introduce yourself to them, and then make yourself familiar so they can be a little bit open about the things that they want to discuss with you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then that's all. And the last thing is like how we just gonna ask students to like sign up the sheet, and then I'll tell them about the feature session.
Okay.
So,
okay, so like at the end, I guess you'll wrap it up then, right? Yeah. Okay then. So at the end, the last slide, I'll be like, and final word from Dr. Sajid, right?
yes, we can do that, and then we would end it. So I'm not sure how many people would show up. I'm not even sure if 10 people would show up, but let's see.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I'll still do it either way if only one, just for practice, because I'm also live streaming it as well. I think this would be good practice, So
yeah, and even if we won't get like some students from here from our department, we can start with high school students.
Mm-hmm. For sure.
We can start the next session and include them as well.
Okay.
Okay, go on.
Okay. I'm gonna probably start off and ask them like, has anyone done a hackathon, or no? Does anyone know what hackathon is? No one answers. I'll just describe it. Well, our next one session. Remove this one. Okay. I will remove it here.
Because I will do that in the last.
Okay. Go ahead and,
so that's what I was thinking to look at how we gonna like
how's the flow?
say it, like what stuff should be set first or what stuff should be set in the end.
Okay.
So for the future session we can like put it all in there.
Okay. All right then. Who am I? Is where I talk about myself. I'm Anthony Montañez, computer science major, blockchain developer. I've won a couple of hackathons, and I've traveled internationally for competitions. What is a blockchain developer? Developer who builds decentralized applications on blockchains, primarily Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Cardano, which are the most popular. There are many more.
Okay, whenever you look at the slides, look into their eyes as well.
Okay.
Once after you get done with each slide.
Okay.
Look into their eyes.
All right.
To like show that you were more confident
Okay.
on whatever you were wanting. And the more you will show the confidence, the more they will like to listen to your whatever you want to say next.
Okay. My experience, I built real world applications, learned more in 48 hours than weeks of class. I've met developers and great opportunities. Okay. Started projects, became an ambassador for Ripple and Midnight, and attended major hackathons like Consensus and Midnight Summit. What is a hackathon? A short event between 24 to 72 hours. You can join solo or with teams. You build a project from scratch most of the time. They have certain tracks you can compete in. Must present a demo at the end. And here there are pictures of what it looks like at Consensus. That's a picture of a line that was in. Typical time frame, usually between 24 to 72 hours. Occasionally, sometimes up to 2 weeks. What is Midnight? As a fellowship elite, I'm an advocate and builder for Midnight. I think it's coming up here. We have a page dedicated, and you don't need to be an expert. Simple apps, games, AI tools, blockchain apps, even just a prototype or concept. Here's a demo. This is where we'll play it, and it's already there, so we'll just full screen. Where is it? That is the full. I'm not sure. I don't think there's a. Oh crap! I'm not seeing anything for volume. I wonder if it's here. Oh crap! I wonder if it's. Try this one. Nope. Show you how quickly we get this done. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is start out with a fresh project, and I'm going to create a directory. So right now I'm going to cd into my documents. Move to the. Do you know where exactly you have your the end project? The end project, like here. The visual tool for creating interconnected content maps for study. Before you in this case, the tech. You need to actually explain them what this is all about. Okay. Okay. Give a very small description about that's what you have created, and all the way move to the end and show them that this is the end project because the volume is just too low. Okay then. Okay, so they won't even be able to hear it. Okay then. Okay, so what do you recommend? Just start it up and kind of just skims. Description, explain the small, like break down the problem. What is this idea generator? What we have built in 2 weeks? Okay, and then this is the end project that we have to do. That's the, and then show what is the end project. Okay. Well, this project was actually made in 7 minutes. Okay. But I just wanted something light, something quick to show them that they could build something within a weekend. But and then so continuing, I guess here I'll put. Oh crap! I need to take this slide out. Which slide? This one. We were gonna talk about Vault Chain, and then we decided not to because it was a little complex. Okay. We'll take that one out. Okay, so I'm just gonna give about building the. Okay, so I'm just gonna end get involved future session and take you slide all the way to the end. Okay. So I can cover the end. So you don't have to worry about. Yeah, we'll do future events. Okay. Definitely we'll do that, and then. On this last. Why should we do this part? Okay, do this one. Okay, do you want me to add 2 more slides here so you could? No, let me just send you this one. Okay. Okay, so I want them to feel like that we are trying to build a community as well. So they will be interested. Like I don't want them to feel like this is all technical. So this is just okay, they're sending it to you. Okay. Through Teams or email? Okay.
And then did you turn on the Microsoft Teams meeting as well?
Yes, on my computer.
Yes,
Okay.
because yours was on the.
Oh, you talk about the meeting, right? Join.
Okay, can absent you. So we will start the meeting.
Okay.
Microsoft. Um, where can I turn on the Microsoft Teams?
Should I turn it on over there?
Yeah, this
Oh,
one would be connected, right?
yeah, because I'm logged in over here on mine right now.
So you have to set up the camera.
Yeah, I'm trying to get that last slide real quick.
This is upside down.
Let me see. Oh, okay. So you want me to add this PowerPoint in as well, like to the folder?
Oh, yeah, just the folder so I can share it.
Okay, yeah,
And if the session needs to be start,
yeah. I'm coming. I'm coming.
no one, no one.
I guess not. But you know what? It's good practice. I'm live streaming it right now. Um, okay.
Don't know why this.
Mm,
This is actually ours. So why does it say this? Do I need to log in?
maybe because of the speaker? No. Background filters, computer audio. Oh.
Hello. Hello, everyone.
Where did you log in?
Can anyone hear us?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. We're just having this technical issue over here. We're trying to resolve. And then, can you guys look at the slide?
We're just seeing them out of focus over your shoulder, I think.
Ooh, okay. Getting a little feedback there.
Sure, it'll be fine, and thank you for providing this in all these formats.
Yes, we are trying our best. So this was actually working. So there was another class, and we got this room just now. So we are just trying to make this work.
I think we go to Action.
Okay, share the slides that I have sent you.
The slides you sent me. Okay,
Yeah.
they are.
Okay, share this one.
Press this right. Share. Copy link.
Or
Or
just share it on this one.
oh, okay. And group name. That pick you.
Would it over there? Show it over there, and then you need to share this one.
Okay, so yeah, it's already over there. Do I send it to you or someone?
No, no, no. I'm just going to represent it, right?
Okay then, and then just share the screen. Okay,
Yeah, just share this one.
I think that would be Teams.
It was here. Okay, and then share. And then can you come to this side and move the camera?
Like right here.
Hello, can everyone see us now? And
We can see the presentation.
okay, yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming. And we were not even expecting 10 people for this first session, but I'm glad you guys are here. And I am trying to actually. Oh, so we are actually trying to have this session about the hackathon and what the Solros uh, computer science department wants to represent. We are trying to actually see, we don't have like a lot of sessions going on with the computer science department, and we have a very less strength. So what we're trying to do over here is trying to build one community, and where we can have all of these sessions for us, and then there are going to be future sessions for it as well. But for today, we're gonna focus on forming a team for different for a hackathon. And we have actually give me a second. So what why we are trying to do this? We are entering into an era of artificial intelligence where AI can write codes, build apps, it can help with the research, and it can help to create anyone with anything what they want, what they have in their mind. They just need one idea and they can build. Hello.
Oh, we can hear you now.
Okay, I'm really sorry. So we are connected with three different systems. So we're just trying to figure out a lot of things at once. Okay, so let's talk about why we are doing this, why we are here, and so this actually session is represented by Solros Computer Science Department at the Alpine campus. What we are doing here is that we want to introduce this concept to build a community over here. So we have a very small department here at Alpine campus, and we have a limited amount of students who are in the general computer science department and in the cybersecurity, plus in the they have the gaming major as well. But what we are trying to do is like to put everyone else on one room and build one community, so we can have these small sessions where we try to build something, learn about something new, learn about what's going on in the industry, or what how we can provide our input or how we can provide our help. So as we know that artificial intelligence is here, it's not going to replace all of us, and we will make sure about that through these sessions that we need a human touch in order to create all of these apps, and how we can change from one idea and put that into a reality. So what we are trying to do is like we are trying to build one community over here. So in we know that artificial intelligence can write code nowadays. We have different all these different these AI chatbots that are helping us to create these websites, these apps. You don't even need a developer. Like we are moving towards the singularity. So you don't need a bigger teams for that. You can just have one idea and you can create it by using these chatbots. So it can write code, it can help to build different websites, it can help to do, and now there's been all these articles coming that within the way they are training, all these companies are training their AI models. In the future, these AI models can do doctorate level of research as well. We might not need them. So where do we stand in this one? So it's a high time that we build one community over here where we can get together and build something. Even though uh, we don't have those specific expertise, we can take these AI models and try to do that. So how why we want to talk about the hackathons for a while as well is today is that we can build one form of a team, and we can actually come up with one idea and put that idea into a reality. And that's why we are trying to introduce the concept of hackathon here. So this session is going to be mostly information session. We will see how you want to be a part of our community, how do you want to like how you can tag along in this journey. So for that you don't need any no years of if you don't have any experience of coding, that's fine. Have you guys heard about the concept of vibe coding? Does anyone have heard about it? No. Okay, so vibe coding is like you're gonna use these AI chatbots in order to create anything for you. So it's writing the code for you. So you don't need the coding experience for that. But if you would become a part of this community that we are trying to represent, then you just need to bring your expertise, whatever you are. Either you are from history department, English department, or either you're from anthropology or animal sciences. It won't matter. You just if you would see how these hackathons works and how you bring one idea and bring into that reality, it won't matter at all. And you can just use these chatbots and create whatever you want to create. Okay, so you just need curiosity, just need your idea, and then a willingness to learn, and that's all you need. And we will make things easy for you. That's the only thing. So what matters now? The idea, creativity, collaboration, and the community. Okay, no, this session is not only for faculty, anyone can join in. We have, okay, so far we didn't know that how many people would show interest in order to become part of, because we have Anthony over here. I'm just gonna introduce him in a while, and he's gonna show us how he has doing the hackathon so far. And then we have the list of the hackathons we would like you to, like, we would like to represent, and then you can let us know if anyone wants to become a part of it. And that's why we are making it open for anyone, because AI won't actually see what kind of how much level of expertise you have. If you have any idea, it doesn't matter you're a faculty or a student, you can just join in, and maybe you would have something that we can help you make it possible, right? So there we have a vast level of opportunities nowadays, and we want to see that we can make it possible. Even it doesn't matter where we are right now. Either we are in Alpine or El Paso or Eagle Pass, anywhere. It won't matter if you can just join us, and then we can all work together to bring any idea into any web app or any web application, or however you want your idea to become the reality, and we can help you with that. So for that, we gonna Anthony is gonna give you more description on this, what the hackathon is going to be. But the main idea about this is that if you become a part of the hackathon that we are gonna discuss, then we're gonna see how we can learn fast, and there's going to be fun environment in the following sessions, and then we can work in teams and bring something like something more. You don't have to be have the technical background for that. We just gonna You just can bring your own whatever your field knowledge is, and then we can see how we can you can be a part of our team. Okay, so we have a very bright student here. His name is Anthony, and he also has the experience with different hackathons. He's recently been to a one, and then he has worked with a diverse team, and it can show that how you can become a part of our polling sessions, and then how you can also build something with us. Okay, so let me introduce you with Anthony, and he can give more description on the hackathons and how you can be part of our team. Okay, so Anthony, can you go ahead?
Let me see. Hello, everyone. Nice to meet everyone. Let me see again. View the camera. Let me switch out our PowerPoints. Okay. All right. Ready? Thank you, doctor, for introducing me. Everyone, I'm Anthony Montañez. I am a senior at Alpine, and I am a blockchain developer. And also, I have a lot of experience with hackathons. You know, they're kind of like my little hobby that I like to do from time to time. Um, do have I think did you ask them have they heard of hackathons?
No, you can just go on.
Okay. Well, essentially, is it showing? I wonder if they're okay. So, of course, I already said it. My name is Anthony Montañez, computer science major. I'm a blockchain developer, and I've won a couple of hackathons online. Um, what is a blockchain developer? It's a developer who builds decentralized applications. primarily on Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Solana. Those are just the popular ones. My experience, I've built real world applications. I've learned more in 48 hours than I have, years of studying, met developers and, great opportunities, started projects, and I became ambassador for Ripple and Midnight. I've traveled out the country for these competitions, so it's been quite an experience so far. What is a hackathon? It's usually a short event between 24 to 72 hours. You can join solo or with a team, build a project from scratch. Most of the time they have certain tracks you can compete in. You must present a demo at the end. Typical time frame, they're usually between 24 to 72 hours. Sometimes they'll be up to 2 weeks. What is Midnight? As a fellowship elite, I'm an advocate and builder for Midnight, which is a privacy preserving blockchain. And again, like Dr. Saji said, you don't need to be an expert. You can make simple apps, games, AI tools, blockchain apps, or even prototypes or concepts, which I've seen actually win competitions as well with no code. Okay, the demo. Let me see if I can bring that up. I'm just going to skim through it real quick because the audio wasn't that great. But it's a 7-minute video. Let me see. Where is it at? Why is it not here? Let's see. Is it this one? Yeah, this is the correct one. We're going to be going. Imagine being able. Oops, we're going to be going over how to create a simple application. Turn the volume. It's not.
Can anyone hear the video's volume?
So what I'm going to go ahead and do is start out with a fresh project, and I'm going to create a directory. So right now I'm going to CD into my documents. Can you guys hear? I'm going to go CD into my project folder. Okay then. I'm also going to create. Did you want me to play out fully, or did you just want me to skim through real quick? I'm going to call this directory demo C8SH. All right. I'm going to go ahead and.
You can skim to the main product.
Yeah. That directory. So essentially what this video is just a quick demonstration of creating a quick application using Windsurf. So essentially I just come here, once the application opens up, I entered a quick prompt, essentially asking it what I wanted to build, the constraints of like what languages I wanted to use, ask it to create a document, and also to look for any possible use cases that I wasn't thinking about. So essentially the app is just a simple idea generator for a quick application. And this was made within 7 minutes. So this really just shows the possibility of anyone with no technical experience ability to able to create any application they want. And as I skim through the video, gets to the very end, it generates the app for me. And this is the application. And something simple. Generate idea. It gives me the concept map builder, the visual tool for creating interconnected concept maps for study. Key features, drag and drop nodes, relationships, text stack. Gives me the option to save idea and copy. And as you can see, that's the power behind Windsurf and AI agents at this moment. So like we were discussing earlier, anyone is able to join. You don't really need that much technical experience. A great idea is honestly the best thing right now for this moment. So what do you actually do in a hackathon? You get a theme or idea. Sometimes they'll have tracks that they'll save to the day of, and those will essentially be like just kind of like course, like kind of where you should like point your app towards. So it could be different subjects like government, health, digital identity. After you get those themes ideas on the day of the hackathon, you form a team, go solo, you start building, and then you submit technically through GitHub. And normally you do a presentation as well, kind of like what we're doing right now, but just a brief description. Um, if you have the thoughts that you're not ready, yeah, you don't know enough, you never built anything, you don't have a team, you should reconsider it. Hackathons are where you learn. I've learned most of my experience just through hackathons. Beginners are welcome, and teams form there. And some of the best projects and best products are built at hackathons. Where to join? Some of my favorite places to look for, if y'all can see the QR codes, is Dora.io and DevPost. Those are two that I've actually entered in and won my hackathons in virtually. So you don't always have to go and go physically. So again, like Doctor had recommended, we don't need that much. We can even do this remotely from students from Eagle Pass or various other locations. Not just apps, but game jams as well. That's originally where I started from. That's where I got my programming experience. I started doing game jams, and then I transitioned to hackathons. Um, HIO is one of my favorite spots to go and look for game jams. And considering we have a game developing program here, I figured that would be a great way to get the students excited and wanting to participate. And that brings us to our future events. The next workshop we would like to do is we'd like to help set up environments for AI assistant development, so you too can start programming whenever you want, essentially. And we're looking to form a team to attend events. I have a great list of some really big hackathons that are actually at schools, and I would like to see Ross represented over there. Why you should participate? You build portfolio projects, you win prizes, network with companies and interesting individuals, and you just discover what you enjoy. And that's the end of the slide. All right.
Okay. Any question? Hello. Does anyone have any questions related to what the hackathons are? Hello. Can any of you hear us?
Yes.
Okay. So the basic thing is that we are going to form a team. We have a list of the hackathons with us that we want actually to get ourselves prepared for, and then we would like this one that is coming in the coming months, that would be Florida. And then what we will do in the following sessions, as he mentioned, is that we will see what these students or the faculty members do they have the technical background or they don't. But either way, we're gonna help them set up the environment, and then we will help them get trained for different hackathons. You even, for example, you are from the English department or anthropology department. Just as an example, you can just bring your own idea. What we can do is like help you set up these uh, the, the set up all of these environments to see what latest AI models we can use. And either if you want to build an app or a website, we can help you with that. And then by attending these small of these sessions, we can get ourselves trained, and then we can actually go to different hackathons all of these different competitions. We have a list of around 7 to 8 hackathons so far, and where we can go. So if anyone would be interested, they can actually send us an email, and we all can go from there. And then we can announce the following sessions on the way we can, as soon as we get the list of how many people will be interested. And if you guys have any question, you can just let me know, and I will be more than happy to answer.
I have one question.
Yes, sure, go ahead.
So can you please give me your email so that if I'm interested, I can send you
Okay, yes. So I can,
this.
that event was also there, but I can send you my email.
Yes, please. Thank you.
So that is my email. You can just if any of your students would might be interested, then that would be fine as well. And if they have any, you're teaching any course to them or any topic to them and want them to do something with it, we can help them to generate it. We can help them generate their whole idea. We can help them to create anything digital form of their idea, and we can also help them market it. So we just gonna have these sessions in order to get the more training, and then once we form a good team, we will be ready to go to different competitions as well that we have also started.
I also posted the list of hackathons in that Teams
Okay.
chat.
Okay, it's yeah, you can tell them.
Okay. I also curated a list of hackathons that I think they're quite great, and I just sent it in the Teams so you guys could check it out. Some of them are affiliated with schools, and I think it would be great to see Soul Ross represented over there.
Okay, so we have sent that in the chat. You can take a look, and I can also send one email with all of these hackathons, and then if anyone would be interested, they can just let us know and become a part of our new uh, AI community of this computer science department. And I think that's all from our side because this is mostly the information session. If anyone would like to give any point or want to add something into it, then they can send us an email as well. Thank you so much for your time.
Appreciate everyone. Thank you for
Thank
tuning in.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So what we can do next is like we can reach out. We can reach out the high schools